My brothers and sisters, something very historic just happened in the United States of America, and it is about us, the Igbo people. For the first time in America's history, a U.S. state has officially recognized June 14 as Igbo Day. Yes, you heard right. Igbo Day in North Carolina. So today, for the Annual Cultural Forum, we are sending a heartfelt appeal to our brother and father, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide, Senator John Azotambata, to take a bold step in acknowledging this gesture. Imagine the governor of an American state, Josh Stein, the governor of North Carolina, recognizing the history, the contributions, and the resilience of the Igbo people, so much so that he honors us with a date and a proclamation to celebrate Igbo Day in faraway North Carolina. This is no small feat. This is not just about the date. It is about visibility. It is about identity. It is about recognition on a global stage. And not better way to give this type of man a thank you or a pat on the back than by recognizing and acknowledging what he has done, and even presenting to him a chieftaincy title, as we do in Igbo land. Of course, chieftaincy titles are ways of saying a man, Jide Iji. We are calling on the Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide to present a chieftaincy title to Governor Justin, recognizing this feat, and to officially recognize this feat as a victory for Ndigbo worldwide. So many years, we, the sons and daughters of Igbo land, have thrived in the United States, building businesses, empires, and of course, getting married and bringing development to their parts of the world. It is only right that our efforts and contributions are recognized. And when it is done, we should, as a people, show gratitude to those who recognize and acknowledge us.